2,700 inbound downwind for 27, Lansing.
And let them know we're departing.
Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra, Quebec. Departing runway 27 at Lansing.
And Citation at Lansing is holding short of 9 and 27 here at Charlie. We'll wait for you guys to blast off.
Thanks. Alright, go, go, go. Waiting for us, and he's burning a lot of fuel, so we'll just keep it rolling right around. We're already good. Our runway's clear. Power's coming in full. And normal takeoff. Have your correction in a lot more at first, and then remember, as you're gaining airspeed, then the correction will come off. Don't ride your brakes.
Oh yeah. Shoot.
There we go, lift off. Going that back down, so we climb out at VY.
Lansing traffic citation across 927 at Charlie.
Hey, climbing 1200.
Clear 927.
Before we depart to the south.
Alright.
Then we're looking for that traffic inbound from the south. I don't know if he said south or southwest. I think he just said south.
What I heard.
Traffic inbound to Lansing. Are you to the southeast or the southwest?
We're south-southwest. We're just east at 394 at 2,500, about 4 to the south of the field.
Alright, we're looking, we're just climbing through 1,400 to 2,000, and we'll be departing Lansing to the southwest en route to Bult Field.
Andrews traffic 99 Echo is about 2 miles to the north of the field at 3,500 feet, inbound for landing 31.
Alright, hold that heading, hold your heading right there. Should be seeing him pretty soon. Head right to the VOR. Head right to the VOR. See the VOR right over there? Direct to it.
That's it right there?
Yeah. I don't see him.
There he is.
You got him in sight?
Yep, we're good.
Alright. And traffic inbound to Lansing, we have you in sight. Should be effective. Be below us?
He's above. Station 69 Alpha Tower. Departing 18 in Lansing. Going to be departing to the west.
Still got him?
Yep.
Alright, just keep him in sight, 'cause for some reason I don't have him.
Alright.
Oh, I've got him now. There he is.
Yep, now he's below us. Traffic, Skyhawk 73 Foxtrot uniform. We're on the 45-degree entry for downwind 27 Lansing.
Good eye.
Thanks.
And Bult traffic to Cessna 260 Sierra, get back just over the top at 1700. We'll be joining the west downwind for runway 27 Bult. Traffic inbound to Bult, what's your present position? We'll go ahead and do our base. Bult traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra, Quebec, left base runway 27, Bult.
Bult traffic, 430 Sierra Lima is 5 miles to the right, I just cross the field to the downwind runway 27, Bult.
Clear on the right over here. Bult traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra, Quebec. Final runway 27, full stop, Bult. And we can land long if you'd like, because I'm going to have you pull over to the building. I got to use the restroom real quick.
Alright, cool.
Got lots of runway, there's no need to drag it in.
Alright.
Right, rudder pedal.
Oh, shoot.
Kind of miffed that one up.
Yeah. 469 uniform, downwind runway 22, KIGQ. I like my last land better.
What you gotta do is, you gotta stay with it through it, and then you gotta make that transition over. Okay? And with that, you gotta have the right correction of, yeah, we'll go ahead and turn off here. Then we'll head in towards the building.
Bult traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra, Quebec. Clear runway 27 at Bult.
RP coming in, flaps coming up.
Wherever you are in the world, share your aviation. Share Aviation, a network for pilots by pilots.